Fungi are eukaryotic organisms that have rigid cell walls and lack chlorophyll. As we zoom in, notice the white hyphae surrounding this insect that is in the process of being decomposed. The eye of the insect is on the right side. This fungus is using this insect as a food source, and then other organisms will graze upon the fungus and it itself is decomposed and broken down. We can see here how the microorganism fungus decomposes the macroorganism insect. Various groups of fungi are referred to by several names, such as molds, mildews, rusts, smuts, yeasts, mushrooms, and puffballs, as we see here, all of which spend all or part of their time in the soil. The fungi imperfecti illustrated here are one of the most common groups that grow in artificial media. They are unique because they reproduce by free-born spores or conidia, generated by special cells called phyalids. The conidia are like seeds. They contain all that is needed for new life. This is the appearance of a typical plate containing fungi imperfecti isolated from soil. These filamentous organisms are heterotrophic, which means they consume organics as an energy source. Notice in the upper center that the colony is not growing due to antibiosis. Antibiosis is a defense mechanism that allows the organism to stake its claim. To do this, it produces an inhibitory organic that spreads into the media and prevents other organisms from growing. This is a view of Penicillium at 40x magnification. A member of this genus produces the antibiotic penicillin. Lawns and forests of conidia are waving in the air as we scan this view. The color is due to the pigmentation of conidia. A view at 100x magnification. At 500x magnification, we can just barely start to pick out the individual spores or conidia, which are the round cells. Each one can give rise to a new organism. The elongated cells, called the phyalids, produce the conidia. This is a colony of Aspergillus, a common soil fungus. Members of this genus produce aflatoxin on corn and other grains in dry weather, which will enter the food chain and can be harmful to animals. Most species live in soil and decompose organics, however. The conidia and phyalids of Aspergillus can be clearly seen in this view.